Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the incoming call busy problem that you may be experiencing on your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull down the control menu here or slide it up and ensure that your phone is not turned on with airplane mode. You want to turn off airplane mode or turn it on and off, but basically it should be great. And basically when the phone is on airplane mode, right, things like calls will not come through. You can also check this in the settings of your iPhone by going into settings. In the airplane mode, make sure this is grayed out and turned off. The next thing you want to check out is your focus mode in your settings. So under this here, you'll see there's an option for focus mode. If you have a focus mode turned on, like do not disturb or any of these, we need to turn those focus mode off because that will also interfere with things like calling, because it will prevent you getting notifications and basically causing busy problems. So turn those on. You can always pull down the control menu here. You can see here if you have it on, it's going to show it's on. You can just click on it to turn it off, or if you have any of these on, just simply click on it to turn off and it should not have any more focus mode on. Another thing to check out is notification. So you may not be getting the notification because your notification got turned off or accidentally switched off. So just go into your settings. From there on, go to notification. And for this one, we're going to go to calls and ensure allow notification is turned on. All of these are selected as well, and it should look something like this so you can get the notification as well. Now moving on to the next thing, you want to check in your settings here in the main settings again. We're going to go to this time to the phone settings itself in the main settings, and then click on it and check that silence on our caller. You want to turn this off. This basically filters out any calls that are not recognized by your phone, that's not on your contact list or recent call log. It'll block them out, but sometimes it might be accidentally blocking a call that you want to get, so you may consider turning that off. Generally, this should be on just so you don't get spam calls and such, but you can turn it off and see if that fixes the problem for you. Now moving on to the next thing you want to do, again in the same setting for phone here, you're going to see here a block contact. So we're going to click on block contact here. The block contact here, you need to ensure that the number that it's calling you isn't actually getting blocked. So you can unblock them by swiping to the left and click on unblock, and that will unblock that contact. So something else for you to do. Now moving on to the next thing after you ensure that it's not a block number calling you that's giving the incoming is to do a forced restart on your iPhone. And it's going to be really simple. You're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the phone goes completely black. So I just simply press volume up and down quickly one after another, and I'm holding on to the side button and do not need to slide to power off. Just simply wait for it to shut off, forcing it to shut up, and then once you tap below, we let go of that side button. And that basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting your incoming call having busy problem, it will fix it for you. Simple as that. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe. You don't have to worry about it, and go ahead back into your phone and it should be good to go. Now the very last thing you can do is, if you're having issues with in general calling and such with your iPhone, you can do a network reset by going to your settings, going into general, all the way down here. It says transfer reset iPhone. We're going to click on the first option for reset, and we're going to do a network reset. What network reset does, it resets the settings, things like saved Wi-Fi, any Bluetooth connected devices, and any network related settings that may be impacting incoming calls having that busy problem. It will not delete any of your personal data. Again, all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute to do, but something to do if you're still having that issue. And hopefully by running through all these troubleshooting steps, the incoming busy problem for incoming calls is fixed. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.